Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking very briefly at setting up double-sided printing in Microsoft Word on a Mac. So I have a document ready for printing here. I'm going up to the File menu and I'm going to choose Print. Now on the face of it there is no option for double-sided printing here, which is a bit frustrating, but what you can do is go to this area that's currently showing copies and pages and you're going to select Layout. And when you select Layout you get this little box which allows you to set on two-sided printing. You'll find that it was probably set to off if you're finding that you can't print double-sided. So you want to select either long edge binding or short edge binding. And when you do that, you can just simply go and click print and you'll get two-sided printing. So I hope this helps anybody who's suffered as I just did, not being able to print on both sides on a printer that's clearly capable of doing so. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results every time, then you'll love my other YouTube videos. So give this video a thumbs up and click to subscribe to the channel. And on the screen now, you'll see a video that I've handpicked for you to watch next.